Scooby-Doo! Let's close that door. So, well, I don't know whether you can see me or not. Hang on, let me have a look. Oh, probably. Well, we'll see. So, first job of today is these clips off the end of the parcel shelf were absent, which makes me think that that this car's being used for bits. I'm talking to that this car's being used for bits rather than just being a bit old. I assume that I have to take that plug out there and put this one in. Or maybe it just broke. Or maybe they slotted on and they're different. Oh my god. Are they screwed in? Let's look properly at whether they're screwed in or not. Well, yeah, you say they shouldn't be screwed in, but you don't know, do you? There's no point in spending ages piss-arsing about and then going, oh, it's screwed in. It don't look like it. Yeah, well, it does.
I presume
that's a replacement. It looks like they're just pushed in.
I presume that is that.
Yep. So we've got the other bits out, pushed these in. In fact, I'll show you one, if I can get this one back out again. So it's like a little shovey type bit that goes in this tube here. And then we just need to push these as far in as we can. Maybe with a hammer and a doobrey.
Let's try it and see how far out there.
About that far.
No, it's too much down there.
Yeah, that's exciting, isn't it? It's not to do with anything.
Long cans. Are they too?
What do you mean?
Are they just too long?
Right, we need to tap. We need to tap them in. They're nowhere near as far in as they can be. That's all we need to do. Well, we need a hammer and like an extension bar, or a socket, something chunky. I don't know where your copper hammer would be. Oh.
Hey.
So now we have a parcel shelf that don't fall down into a boot when we open the boot.
Not for a couple months.
Just in time for us to take it out because we're taking seats out. So they were £5 for them 2 clips. here, which I think is quite a good price to actually have the boot thing that don't get smashed every time you open boot lid. So let's put this away. Yes.
Why is this?
Because Mum was throwing it out, and I said, well, we might as well keep hold of it, because then if we're under the car and we're wanting to put bolts and stuff in something, we've got something to put them in. Which would be why there weren't any on in the first place. That's that grommet thing from that side. That's the old one for comparison. So it just used to slide onto the square plastic bits, which oh, mind your foot. Which was this bit. So originally that goes in your car, and this bit slides onto it like this or something. But them new ones have got this bit built into them, so they just pushes in. So I mean, I don't know whether we need to keep that. I'm going to put it in that bag anyway. So how long did that take? About 15 minutes?
Was there any need?
Here we go, fault finding after we've already done it. Right, so yes, these were holding the bottom of the seat in. So you've got 3 tangs on bottom at seat. Okay. One at either end and one in middle. Yeah. So we took them out.
What we could have done if helped is undo that bolt and take it back out first.
And then do this bit.
Then do bottom.
But we'll know that next time. I'm pretty sure on ZR it didn't have that. I could be completely wrong.
Well, I think it's a right smart idea, that.
Basically, you undo this, and then this little claw recedes, and you can slot it out.
That comes across and captivates it.
Yeah, which is exactly opposite what I've just said.
Well,
because we're taking them out at the moment, not putting them in.
Yeah. Drop it down here, tie that up, and it'll hold it in place. Because the bottom just pushes into that and into that.
Into these locating lugs down there.
For all the holes.
So that's the back seats out, and up here. I can't show you one at locating lugs. So that's the middle part of the locating lug, and then the outer side one you can see is down there, that pin. Yeah, so there we go. Seats out. So we've got one seat out already. I'm just taking the passenger one out now. Dramatic suspense. I think that's loose. Shut up. And then in the back, there's one over there, and then one to one side. Just under there that you can't see because it won't focus. There. So we shall carry on doing that. A situation update. We've got no seats and centre console in. So next job, clean all the carpets up, vacuum them up. I've brought my little spinny brush and drill, so I'll give carpets a good scrub. We've just fitted a new gear gator, so I'll show you that.
Put a screw down there, son.
Hang on, I'll show you that later. But yes, up to now, everything is going fine. Greetings and welcome to washing and cleaning some more leather seat stuff. Exactly the same as I've done on the headrests already. Just doing it on the seats, so I'm not going to talk you through it. I'm just going to time lapse me doing it, and then maybe I'll film putting them in. So one of the bits that's cracked is these B-pillar covers. You can't really tell on there, but it's really faded. It should be grey, not that whatever colour you'd call that. So my dad came up with an ingenious idea of putting, what's it called, that stuff, four-way stretch.
Four-way stretch.
Which is pretty similar to that stuff. And it looks alright, that. I think it fits in well. If you didn't know, you'd think it were part of the car to start with. That's what I think. We might do that bit over there as well.